So I got the pulleys off. Just put a piece of wood in the blades, and I don't even know where I put it. I had a breaker bar. Oh, there it is. 22mm socket, and they came off relatively easy. Took a block of wood and took a hammer to the block of wood, which was sitting on top of the I don't know what you call it, the rod that turns the blades. Pounded them through. Now I will That's a little bit different. This one came out completely with the bearing on the bottom. This one did not. Bearing's still in there. And it doesn't want to come out. That's kind of weird. I just thought it'd slide right out of there. Now I can't even get it out of the... Doesn't want to come past the bearing for some reason. Pause it. Got it out. I took a bolt, slid it down the hole, and gave it a good whack. So there's the teeth that grab the pulley, and the bearing sits underneath that, and then another bearing there. This rod's looking decent shape. Yeah, that bearing's crunchy. Probably has something to do with all this twine wrapped around the inside there. Now I guess it's just a matter of getting those bearings out. Don't think it'll be too bad, but that's how you do that. Hope you enjoyed. Have a good one. See you on the next one.